So this is the wolfies. They're the wolfies. And this is the waterfall. Worked yesterday on getting things cleaned up. Had to one at a time over a couple days pump all three of the ponds, and the wolfies was the last one because they were just full of debris from the storm. So I pumped, drained them and cleaned them and got them restarted, refilled them. I did it one at a time so there wasn't so much chlorine in it at one time. But this is Anna Marie. Hey girl, how are you, huh? How are you? Pretty girl, looking into the sun in the morning. Yeah, it's about 8:30 or so. Just thought, just one more thing back to normal. Still got a lot of debris down, but we're going to take out the big stuff and leave the little stuff just to rot away. I mean, in the wild they would have, you know, trees down and stuff like that. But anyway, so say goodbye, girl. Say goodbye, girl. Hey, pretty girl. Pretty girl. All right. And now it's time to go feed the horses. I like to see that running.